In this video, I'll show you how to change the controller aim response curve type in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Simply launch the game, and then from the Call of Duty homepage, select Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Then press the menu button on your controller and navigate to the settings. And then within the settings, scroll down and select controller. Now within the controller settings, navigate to the aiming section by using the R1 or the L1 button. And then scroll down and select aiming advanced settings. So choose that. And then scroll down and find the aim response curve type. Select that. And then there are three options. You can choose the standard, you can choose the linear and dynamic. So there's a brief description of what each curve type represents. So choose the one that you'd like. So let's say linear, select that. And also you can select the show more option and also customize the aim response curve slope scale. So you can adjust it to suit your needs, you can reduce it, and you can increase it to suit your needs. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.